after our first session, after our first event, when we had this public speaking event last year, when I started thinking about what's next, what should we do for the second item, this was the group that most of them, apart from one Gaurav, everybody else have already spoken, already gave a speech in the first event. So the thought process was, what is that we could do differently in terms of the second? And one thing that I've always told them right from the beginning is the primary idea about this class is to get them out of their comfort zone, do something new, do something that makes them, that they are not comfortable with, so they can get familiar with, right? So the theme for this, where it all started, was what is the original content that they could create and present. So far, everything that we have been hearing, when we ask them to present on any topic, they get to do some Google search, they get to do some, nowadays it's ChatGPT, and prepare a speech and deliver it, right? That's the first step, and I want them to explore more in terms of going and creating their own content. So that's the starting point for this, and what was the task, a project assigned to them was go and create a social survey that you could start from scratch, choose a topic of your choice, and prepare the questions, prepare the survey that you want to create, and go and collect the data that you want to collect from people. You send out the survey, collect responses, collect the data, and then understand the data that you have received and present it to us, right? So that's the task that have been given to them, and they have all done some great job over that, and they are ready to present it today. Now, a couple of things. Apart from purely this being a public speaking thing, of course, they need content to come here and present here. That's one aspect. But the journey they have taken in terms of understanding the process involved in creating something new, right? If you have to start from something abstract like an idea and go build something, which is starting with the questions, how to work with Google Forms, how to work with after you have collected the data, how to go and reach out to people and collect data, which I believe most of the parents have helped here. That's a great job, thank you very much. And after collecting the data, even working with charts, how to learn charts. I know some of you, or all of them, learned charts, how to use the charts new. They were very helpful in terms of teaching how to use the charts as well. So through this process, they have learned a lot, but we are going to see what's the outcome of it. Now, before they start, I want all of you to be aware, pay attention to everything they say, because this is now a competition. There are 4 teams, and at the end of their presentations, after all the 4 are done, all of you, parents, or whoever has a phone, are going to be able to vote for it, okay? So there's going to be a digital poll. After all 4 have presented, there will be a link that's coming on the screen where you'll be able to go and vote on 5 questions. You're going to vote on 5 different questions, and the results of it is going to decide who is the winner. You're not voting for them individually, you're voting on 5 different questions. So focus on the content, and parents, don't vote for your kids just because they're kids, okay? Most important. You can vote for your kids if you really think that's the best thing they did, okay? So pay attention with that. Let's get started. We already have the order in which we want to go with, so we'll start with Inian and Srinath. Come on, guys.